أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the lesson number 9 of Madani Qaida. आज हम मदनी कायदा का lesson number 9 पढ़ेंगे which is about leen. There are two letters of leen, ya and waw. These two letters are leen. Waw and ya are leen letters. When there is a fatha zabar before a waw sakina, it becomes waw leen and it pronounced like ba waw bow. When there is a fatha before a ya sakina, then it becomes ja leen like ba zabar ya bay bay. It sounds bay bow bay like this. So we will start from here. Pronounce the letters of leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pausing. Okay, we doesn't stretch the word or we doesn't pause here. So let's start. The first one letter is ba and ba has fatha sign and the next word is waw. So it sounds bow ba waw zabar bow ba ya zabar bay bow bay. If you pronounce fatha, so ba waw fatha bow ba ya fatha bay bow bay ta waw fatha taw ta ya fatha tay taw tay. Waw is a leen and ya is also leen. Taw tay. We doesn't apply sudden break, we doesn't stop here, we doesn't stretch this word. We just pronounce like taw tay. So say joe jay jay. We doesn't pronounce like ju ji because there is no dhamma sign, there is no kasra sign, it has just a fatha sign, so that's why it sounds joe jay how hai khaw khoy dow day zow zay row roy like this. There are two letters of leen, sha and waw. When there is a fatha before waw sakina, sakin waw. Sakin waw mean waw has nothing, it has only just some sign. Okay, there is no harka on waw, it is sakina waw. So when there is a fatha before a waw sakina, it becomes waw leen and it sounds bow. If it has ba before waw, so it sounds bow. When there is a fatha before ya sakina mean ya has jazm and ya has not any harkat. So when there is a fatha before a ya sakina, then it becomes ja leen. But like bay bay taw tay. We pronounce the letters of leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pausing. So today our lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.